friends, welcome to Rainy Days. Hi friends, today we're going to do a fun experiment. Now let's get started. For this experiment, all you need is some stuff that are at home. A cap, make sure to put a hole. My mom helped me. A CD, some Gorilla Glue, and a balloon. Now I'll start sticking the cap on the CD. I have sticked the cap with Gorilla Glue and I have let it dry for one whole day, so it's very strong. And now I'm gonna blow this balloon and put it on this cap. For that, I'll need my mom's help. When there was air in the balloon, the CD was moving smoothly. But when the air was completely gone, the CD did not move very smoothly. That's because of friction. The air from the balloon reduced friction between floor and CD, and that's why the CD was moving smoothly. When there was no air in the balloon, the CD did not move smoothly, and that's because of friction. I had a lot of fun doing this, and I felt like I was playing air hockey, and when my little sister wakes up, it's gonna be super duper fun. Hope you see you in the next video. Hope you like my video, and please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. See you all soon. Bye bye.